only 1 inch long, this cardinal fish needs to avoid becoming next on the lionfish menu. But he must catch dinner too. Huge, light-sensitive eyes help pinpoint small prey in the dark. Ostracods, crustaceans the size of a grain of sand, should make a manageable meal. But he's bitten off more than he can chew. Ostracods store a volatile cocktail of chemicals inside their bodies. If attacked, the compounds mix, igniting an explosion of bioluminescence brighter than a flashlight and leaving such a bad taste that the cardinal fish spits it out unharmed.
And this crustacean's escape plan is even more brilliant.
The flash is so bright, it not only blinds, it also betrays, leaving the poor cardinal fish temporarily unable to see, but easily seen. In the ocean, there's always a bigger fish.